Hello, it's great to meet you again. The Tesla Cybertruck is a groundbreaking product in the automotive industry, impressing not only with its electric technology, but also with its bold design, powerful performance, and unique features. This is a completely new electric pickup truck, first introduced in 2019 by Tesla, and it quickly attracted attention from the public and professionals due to its drastic departure from traditional pickup models. In terms of exterior design, the Cybertruck makes a strong impression with its unique geometric style. Instead of soft curves, the vehicle has a square shape with sharp planes, giving it a modern and robust feel. This design is unlike any other pickup truck before it, which makes it stand out and sometimes even seem strange. Notably, the vehicle's body is made from 30X cold-rolled stainless steel, a material that is extremely durable and sturdy, often used in the aerospace industry. This steel not only gives the Cybertruck a strong appearance, but also enhances its ability to resist impacts and scratches, allowing it to withstand heavy blows without damaging the surface. Another notable feature is the armor glass, designed to resist shattering upon impact, although it did break during a launch test when a steel ball was thrown at it. Regarding performance, the Cybertruck offers a range of motor options with 3 different versions. The basic version is equipped with a single electric motor, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 6.5 seconds. This version has rear-wheel drive, suitable for those who need an efficient pickup truck without demanding too much in terms of towing capacity or off-road performance. The second version, with 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive, improves performance and towing capacity, achieving acceleration in just 4.5 seconds. The most premium version with 3 motors offers ultra-fast acceleration, going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds and can tow a load of up to 6,350 kilograms. With these 3 options, the Cybertruck can meet the needs of many users, from those requiring a lightweight work vehicle to those needing powerful towing capacity for heavy-duty tasks. In addition to the motor options, the Cybertruck also impresses with its impressive range, up to 800 kilometers for the 3-motor version. This is a significant advantage for the Cybertruck, allowing it to make long trips without worrying about running out of power. The other versions have a range of 400 to 500 kilometers, depending on the battery size and motor version. Inside, the Cybertruck's interior design follows a minimalist style, similar to other Tesla models, such as the Model S and Model 3. The interior is not overly complicated, with a large dashboard and just one central 17-inch touchscreen to control most of the vehicle's functions, including audio, climate control, navigation, and vehicle information. The interior is spacious, with seating for up to 6 people, including a long front bench and 2 rear seats. The materials used in the interior are mostly stainless steel and environmentally friendly materials, giving it a strong yet modern feel. Another notable feature of the Cybertruck is its advanced technology. The vehicle is equipped with Tesla's autopilot driver assistance system, allowing the car to autonomously control itself in certain traffic situations. It also supports the full self-driving FSD package, enabling fully autonomous driving in the future. This is one of the special features Tesla applies to its models, providing peace of mind to drivers in complex driving situations. The Cybertruck is also equipped with a large storage space, with a bed capable of carrying up to 1,500 kilograms, making it an ideal vehicle for heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, it has a front storage space, increasing the storage area, which is very convenient for long trips or when carrying cargo. With all these outstanding features, the Tesla Cybertruck is not just an ordinary pickup truck, but also a major step forward in integrating electric technology into transportation. Although the design of the Cybertruck is controversial and not everyone loves it, it is undeniable that it has introduced a new wave in the automotive industry, showcasing Tesla's innovation and creativity. Regarding pricing, the Cybertruck starts at $39,900 for the single-motor version and can go up to $69,900 for the 3-motor version. This is a competitive price, especially when compared to traditional pickup trucks, and even reasonable when compared to other Tesla electric models. Although Tesla has announced plans to start production of the Cybertruck by the end of 2023, delivery times may be delayed due to high demand and production issues. With its advanced features, bold design, and powerful performance, the Tesla Cybertruck has the potential to change the way we view pickup trucks and electric vehicles. The Cybertruck is not just a vehicle, but a symbol of the future, offering consumers a powerful, durable, and environmentally friendly choice. If you've watched this far and found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for the latest videos. Now, goodbye and see you next time.